Dear children, let us begin a new day with asking the blessings of the Almighty. So today, chapter 8, continue. Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, 4th lecture. Please take page number 187. Page number 187. And the last paragraph, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. So we have already learned trigonometric ratios, basic trigonometric ratios. Do you remember which are the 6 different trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So these are the 6 different types of basic trigonometric ratios. So this is the most important thing. Then we have learned the values, different angles. Now the trigonometric values of a complementary angle. What is this complementary angle? I'll tell you. You can see right angle triangle ABC on the board. Right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Now, when you refer, suppose you refer this angle A. Now, we refer this angle A. Okay. Then what about this 90 minus A? 90 minus A. That means we know that the total sum of these 3 angles, angle A, then angle C and angle, this angle, angle A, angle A, then angle C and angle B, ABC, together 100, A plus B plus C equal to 180. So now this is B equal to 90. Okay, B equal to 90. B equal to 90 because this angle is right angle. Now what will happen? 180 minus 90. Now what is remaining? Rest is 90 degree. Okay, multiply 90. So these two, A or C, together will form. What about A plus B? Now A plus C equal to 190. A plus C equal to 90. ABC total 180 है, B 90 है, तो A और C मिलकर कितना होता है? 90 होता है. Now this is 90 degree. और now what about 90 minus A? इसमें से A minus करेगा, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा फिर बाद में? आपको फिर ये मिलेगा, ठीक है? That is angle C. 90 minus A means angle C. ठीक है? I'll tell you once again. Look at here. This is 90 degree and this is angle A. And total 180 and angle B is 90 and A plus C equal to 90. बाकी A और C प्लस करके 90 होता है. दोनों मिलकर कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री होगा. अब उसमें से 90 माइनस A. इसमें से 90 में से A माइनस करेगा तो क्या आपका रिजल्ट होगा? बाकी जो बचा है एंगल C है. So that means 90 minus A का मतलब यही होता है angle C. 90 minus A means angle C. Okay. So 90 minus A का मतलब angle C. 90 में से A minus करो तो आपको angle C का रूट मिलेगा क्योंकि तीनों एंगल मिलकर 180 होता है. उसमें से angle A B 90 होता है. बाकी ये दोनों मिलकर A plus C, A और C प्लस करके 90 होता है. और इसमें से 90 में से A माइनस करेगा तो आपको C मिलेगा. Now what is sin theta? Sin theta opposite side divided by hypotenuse. We know that sin A equal to opposite sin A, what is BC? Sin A equal to BC divided by AC, that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is sin A. Now what is sin 90 minus A? Sin 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A means 90 minus A. Sin 90 minus A means what is that? This is 90. है ना? This is 90 minus A means C. So that means what is opposite C? C का opposite कौन है? AB है ना? Opposite side divided by opposite C. When you start from here, AB by AC. That means AB by AC. Now what is now sin 90 minus A? Sin 90 minus A. What is AB by AC? Sin 90 minus. अगर आप 90 minus A ले लिया तो AB by AC means AB become adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. Adjacent side hypotenuse one means that is cosec. That is cosec. So that means sin 90 minus A equal to cosec. Sin 90 minus A equal to cosec. Correct? So only I have proved only one ratio, that is sin 90 minus A. The same way, please take page number 188 and last you can see sin 90 minus A, that is cos A. Cos 90 minus A equal to sin A. Tan 90 minus A equal to cot A. Cot 90 minus A equal to tan A. Sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec, and cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec. So this table is very important, and today's homework, write the heading and write this table: sin 90 minus theta or A, whatever it may be. Here angle is referred by A, so you can measure it by theta also. So sin 90 minus A equal to cos A. Sin A cos A, then cos होगा तो sin होगा तो cos होगा तो sin. Tan और cot, these two are opposite. Tan और cot opposite है. So tan 90 minus A equal to cot A and cot 90 minus A equal to tan. और sec और cosec is related. So sec 90 minus A equal to cosec है और cosec 90 minus A equal to cot A. Then and these two from this chapter some examples are important. Example 9, 10 and 11. These three examples are exam related. Examples are exam related, marks exam related. And exercise 9.8.3, the first one, evaluate 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are very important. इसमें से एक ही है. Okay. So trigonometry identities का इसको जरूरत नहीं है. इसमें identity में cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equal to 1, cos squared A plus sin squared cosec squared theta ये है. Example 13 और 14, 15 ये नहीं चाहिए और एक्सरसाइज भी 8.4 भी नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है. तो इसमें से आपको इतना ही करने का. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन ये एक्सक्लूडेड, इसमें से एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में एक्सक्लूड किया हुआ है. ठीक है. So these all are the trigonometry ratios of what we called trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. So today itself memorize these three. Sin 90 minus A equal to cos A table, cos 90 minus A equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A equal to cot A, cot 90 minus A equal to tan A, and sec 90 minus A equal to cosec A, cosec 90 minus A equal to sec A. And please complete, and also please complete example 9, evaluate tan 65 upon cot 25. So cot A equal to tan 90 minus A, you know that cot A equal to, so cot 25 you can transform into tan 95 minus theta, that is tan 65. So tan 65 upon cos 65 equal to tan 65 upon tan 65 equal to 1. Example 9 is very simple one. What is that? Evaluate example 9, evaluate tan 65 upon cot 25, tan 65 upon cot 25. So we know that cot A equal to tan 90 minus A. Cot A equal to tan 90 minus A. Okay. So you can write cot 25 is equal to tan 90 minus 25 equal to tan 65. Okay, tan 65. So cot 25 equal to tan 60. ये दोनों equal है. Therefore tan 65 upon cot 25 25 इक्वल टू tan 65 अपॉन cot 25 का कितना आंसर आ गया tan 65 इक्वल टू 1। अब आंसर कितना आया 1। Okay, so this very simple one, and also please complete 10 and 11 from this chapter. So here with this we can conclude only 9, 10, 11 and exercise homework for you, exercise 8.3 1 to 4. Exercise 8.3 1 to 4, 1 में 1 to 4, ठीक है, 1 में फर्स्ट 1 में 1 to 4, सेकंड और थर्ड और फोर्थ ये सब कुछ करने का नहीं है। Okay, okay, now 6th, 5th and 7th also very important. Okay, and the rest of the thing 8.5 is excluded and exercise 8.4 also excluded from the. So here you can conclude this chapter. We shall meet you the next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.